Okay, now I'd like to talk a little bit about one of our other products called Tortilla Supreme. It's one of our most comprehensive bases, where it has everything you need into it with all the latest technology for anti-sticking and shelf life. So what I'm going to do right now is just show you the versatility of it by adding a little regular wheat flour, or regular white flour. That's 50% white. And we have some wheat flour. It's just regular wheat flour. We're going to add 50% of that. So that kind of gives us a wheat tortilla. And then the only other ingredient I need to add is our shortening, which helps us, is our fat content, which gives us the tenderness we need. And our Tortilla Supreme. And we're just going to use the blitz method, where I'm just going to add the water all at once. Now for this one, you have to take into account that you are using a portion of whole wheat flour, so figure about 60 to 62% water absorption on the whole wheat flour and about 52% on the regular flour. So we're just going to go ahead and mix that up, and then we'll process some. Mix it like you would any other dough, about 2 minutes in low, 8 minutes in high, just to get a nice developed dough. We processed our whole wheat, or tortilla, out of the Tortilla Supreme, and you can see we get a nice finished product, nice toast points again, and this would be a whole wheat flour. Now, the wonderful about this is that you can add different flours to it to get the whole grain content you're looking for. The Tortilla Supreme gives you the flexibility that you need to create any kind of tortilla flavor that you're looking for. It gives you that base that you need to process it. And also, like I said, you can it's very flexible, where you can add different flavors to it. And it's the most comprehensive base, where it gives you the long shelf life that you're looking for, and also the no-stick technology that we build in so they don't stick together.